promise you guys that you will sleep with your windows and doors open, and that's gonna happen. All who know out there fight against police are criminal. Must have a criminal past, or you associate with criminal or something like that. Big up to the hard-working police officers. Plenty of who now run off in the mouth will never put yourself in a police uniform and go on the streets and risk your life to protect the people them of Jamaica. But you have nothing good to say about police. You are criminal. Every single 99% of the people you see on social media tearing down the police, them are PMP and them are criminal. They are PMP and them are criminal. All I can remind you guys is that crime is going down very fast. They're not talking about that. They're not talking about that. They just don't like police. If it's up to PMP, then would I just get rid of every police? Close down the police station. This is what PMP is about. But God is good. You guys lose the election, and I tell you something. Andrew will get the 4th term. Because people are not stupid. You have a lot of stupid people out there, but people are not stupid. How the hell can you fight against police? Jamaica, a country like Jamaica, it's like they're boosting the criminals and putting it out there. Let me tell you how they're poisoning the people mind. Some of these people, they have nothing good to say about police. You guys are criminal. Criminal. All the people them out there fighting against police are criminal. Isaac is a 2-time convicted for what? Drug trafficking. They deport Isaac from America for trafficking drugs. And he was able to come back and run for the PMP. He's a criminal lawyer. And right now, we trying to clean up crime in our country while Isaac busy putting criminals back on the street. PMP is a criminal party. It's a criminal party. And right now, they're out there fighting against the police officers. To PMP, there's no good police officers out there. To PMP, we should leave the country to criminals and gangs. But God is good. We now get this country. My petition then be for Mark Golden to get his ass out of Jamaica. That little rumhead man. We vote against him and we put Andrew there. You people that act like Andrew don't have his people. We not ready for the army and labor right to come out. I want him to win the PMP. We act like I only want to have strength. We put back Andrew for run the country and we win the election. We campaign and we won. PMP call themselves the blood and fire comrade and them abandon Jamaica. How the hell would they give themselves that name, the blood and fire comrades? Huh? My petition soon drop, man. Deport that little pop down white man out of Jamaica. He's a destruction. And then he got the little idiots them running behind him. Huh? PMP hurt. And the majority of you guys are mad out. Crash for what? Crash for what? Listen. Nobody with sense will support the PMP criminal party. Look at Melissa Silveira. A PMP politician, unalive his wife. And Mark Golden and all of them was trying to cover up that murder. Mark Golden and all the high-ranking PMP were trying to cover up that beautiful lady murder. Dayton Campbell, all the PMP doctors, them roll out. Signed certificate to say the lady died from natural causes. Look what the other day a PMP MP raped his own 13-year-old daughter. You understand? Grape his own Victor Wright. He served 1 term as a PMP MP. Can you imagine the amount of children them he messed with? I'm telling you guys, all Dayton Campbell name not clean. Dayton Campbell name not clean. Dennis Garden supposed to be in jail for thieving up taxpayer money. You understand? PMP is not. People, let me tell y'all something. And they out there poisoning the people mind. When you listen to the PMP, you will believe that there's no more criminal in Jamaica, just the police them are criminal. What foolishness is that? Anybody can sit down and actually believe that stupidness? Listen, when you go up on them live and listen to them, it's like all the criminals in Jamaica is police. There's no more criminal in Jamaica. Anybody will sit down. Hey, people, time and God, we just lock up Silveira. And now we have another PMP MP who raped his 13-year-old daughter. And we're going to lock him up soon. And I hope that 13-year-old daughter is them talk about they care about children and women. Huh? Huh? Melissa was one of you guys. Huh? Melissa was one of you guys. And she was murdered. Even Mark Golden helped cover that up. All of them helped cover it up. Every one of them. Every one of them helped cover up that beautiful lady murder. They had to change everything. Everything. Right? They had to change everything. Crime is going down fast. You will never hear them say that. You will never hear them say that. Never. Because they have criminal representing them on the ballot box. You understand? Criminal record. You guys not getting back. Under PMP, Jamaica was the murder capital of the world. The murder capital of the world. You understand? Big up to the greatest Prime Minister. Uno can't stop Andrew. Uno can't. Marvin is a criminal. 50,000 Marvin scam up a lady during the hurricane season. $50,000 he scam up one lady. That same lady came on Noel Live. And are you going to find that lady? Because whatever money they pay her to keep quiet, me I go double it up for her to come out and talk. Yeah, man. PMP want pack up all the police them and give Jamaica to criminals. So no moving a ras from your son go away. Now get Jamaica to run. Uno could have put out petition after petition every month. Andrew have his people. I don't want no monkey for my life. Richard, come on for my life. You're too rude. Everybody else in the comment being respectful and voicing them. I don't want no monkey for my life. Richard, come on for my life. Look like one damn bulldog. Persons voicing their opinion on the other party and they can keep respectful. You come on there, you're the ugly self. No, no ugly PMP man on my life. Come on, Richard. You're too rude and feisty. Yeah, guys. Crime is going down. Crime is going down. I'm not saying that we don't have corrupt police officers. But my God, when PMP go to talk about police, and a lot of them you see open up their life to bash the police officer, them are criminal. Some of them are the same one who's sending guns to Jamaica. When they talking, I view their profile picture. You can look at people and know say them are criminal. Right? Oh, Andrew going down. Trust me. Dina, yeah, I got tired to see him face. Yeah, I got tired to see Andrew face. Big up Andrew Holness. Andrew have his millions of labor rights back him. Millions. So Uno can put out petition. Every week, PMP a protest. Since September 3rd gone, every week PMP have protest. The little hungry belly PMP them out there a protest. And what come out of it? Now them put petition. What you want? Me don't want to murder me like Melissa Sylvia right now. So who to see my face will see my face. I don't trust PMP. After what they did to Sylvia and after them raping their own 13-year-old daughter, you think we forgot? We haven't forgot. That 13-year-old girl just start get her little breast and so. And your name was on the ballot box to represent the people of Jamaica and you grape your own daughter? Huh? You could have go buy little fronts, you grape your own daughter. These are the people. Do we involve the same thing down at Westmoreland? Huh? Miss Chang, you think we got when Miss Chang came out and called out for sexual harassment? And it's just them with them. They're always so angry. Take a break from social media. You guys lost. There will be no more election until 2030. No petition can remove Andrew. You want labor rights to drop their petition too? For proof to the people in Jamaica that PMP is a criminal party. That's why they don't support police. All of this is politics. All of this is politics. With them out there fighting against police, that is politics. Crime is going down, people. Crime is going down and it's going down very fast. Crime is going down and it's going down very fast. The PMP, the criminal party, they don't like that. They don't like that. They want the country to fail. They want to hear crime is out of control so they can get on a political stage come next election 2030 to use it to campaign with. They want Jamaica to fail. Look at the NaRRA Bill. They sit in Garden House for hours, ask for amendment to be done. When the amendment was done, changes was done, they still didn't vote for the bill. They still did not vote for the bill. They don't support anything good. They don't support anything good that is put on the table for the people of Jamaica. They don't. They want the Jamaican people to suffer. Yes, they want the Jamaican people to suffer. People. That's what they want. But we're going to pass NaRRA. There's only one. I keep reminding you guys, because sometimes I see Mark Golden sit down in a garden house. Mark Golden head like it get licked. Because sometimes Mark Golding act like him a prime minister, a one boss in a garden house. It's only one man we swearing to be prime minister. Only one boss. See him on my screen? One boss, one prime minister can't be two. One. Jamaica do not swear in two prime minister. You understand? Only one boss. You understand? So big up to Andrew Holness. Wickedness, God don't like wickedness. And wickedness don't stand for too long. Lies don't stand for too long. Alright? Only the fool will run behind with those information. Who he backed the biggest criminals like who? Silvera and the PMP MP who raped his 13-year-old daughter. You think we forget? Huh? Who are you talking about? Silvera? Huh? We just prisoned Silvera.